for number 4, it says, for the diagram below, a certain number of people were asked which video game console currently resides in their home. Let A represent the people who own a PS4, let B represent the people who own an Xbox One, and let C represent people who own a Nintendo Wii. So we've got 3 circles coming together. Total, we need to add up all of the people who belong to each of the sections in order to find out the total number of people that were surveyed. So if I do 12 plus 4 plus 10, so 12 plus 4 plus 10, plus 7, plus 2, plus 3, plus 17, and then I can't forget these guys out here, so plus 19. That's a total of 74 people surveyed. I always like to write the total somewhere so I can refer back to it as needed. Now they're saying, find the probability of B union C. So that's everything that belongs to B and everything that belongs to C. So everything that belongs to B and everything that belongs to C will be everything in here. So I'll add all that together. I'll say 4 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 17. Making sure I don't count any of these more than one time. And that gives me 43 when I add all of these together. So 43 out of, 74, not 72. 43 out of 74, which gives me 0.58. Now it says find the probability of A intersect C complement. Complement means everything that's not in the intersection of A and C. So A is right here, C is right here, so the intersection is this right here. So there's 9 in the intersection, so I can do 74 minus 9 to find out that everything else will be 65 out of 74. I think that's the easiest way to do it instead of trying to add up all these numbers, but you could also add all of these together to get 65. And 65 out of 74 is 0.88. Now it's telling us to find the probability for the intersection of A, B, and C. So the intersection of all of them is where they all come together. Here's A, here's B, and here's C. They're all going to overlap right here in the middle at 2. So 2 out of 74 will be that intersection. And 2 out of 74 gives us 0.03. Now I'm looking for A union B complement. Don't forget about this guy here. The complement is everything except what's in the union. The union of A and B will be this whole bubble and this whole bubble. So what's not in that bubble will be 17 and 19. So I could do 17 plus 19, which gives me 36 out of 74, which is 0.48. I'm sorry, 0.49. I could also simplify these fractions, or I decided to just go with the decimal as well.